and welcome back to my channel. It's October 2nd, which means we are officially into the fall season. I'm a huge fan of pumpkins and Halloween and everything that comes with fall, so I decided to put together an easy recipe to show you how to turn this acorn squash into makeshift french fries. I hope you enjoy. I always love seeing the gourds and the pumpkins and the squash, but because they have such a hard shell, I'm kind of intimidated to cook with them. So I hope you find this recipe an easy way to start cooking with squash. I hope you like this recipe video. Be sure to hit subscribe so you get all my latest recipes, including the ones I have for fall. And like this video as well. And of course, as always, follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time.